Hello students, welcome back. We are studying different tenses and up till now we have completed group A, that is simple tenses. Under this group we have completed simple present, simple past and simple future. Then we completed group B, that is continuous tenses, and in this group we completed study of present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Right? Now today I am going to introduce you, I am going to teach you the group C, and its name is perfect tenses. Perfect tenses, in shortcut, how we are going to understand perfect tenses, do you know? That is this. This means V3. Because what is the speciality of perfect tense? In this tense, you will find what? Always third form of the verb. Therefore, we can understand easily any perfect tense. Right? So, let us begin with group C, perfect tenses. So, main topic name is tense, and we are studying group C, that is perfect tense. Perfect tense. Okay. And here the first one is present perfect. It's a present perfect. Very important tense it is. Many speakers in the world majorly use this tense, perfect tense. So, what is the formula or structure of present perfect tense? Do you know? That is very simple. S plus helping verbs in bracket have oblique has bracket close plus third form of the verb object oblique complement. This is the structure of present perfect tense. Right? So now we want to understand here which subjects will match up or which subject will carry which helping verbs. That is very necessary, we want to understand. So, example first, we have first persons like I oblique we, then second person you, and third person plural, that is they. So, these persons are called as again subjects, and these subjects take the plural helping verb, that is have. Then third form, drunk, water for water. So I, we, you, they, these are subjects. This is helping verb. This is V3 and this is object. And how are we going to read it to understand? Simply, I have drunk water, we have drunk water, you have drunk water, they have drunk water, in this way. Right? Now, second example I want to give you here with a different person. These are third person singular. So, which are the third person singular? That is he, she, it, and name of person, for example Ram. These are third person singular and they always take as, then V3 for V3 and object for object, no change. Where he, she, it and name of person Ram are called as subjects, and this is helping verb, this is V3 and this is O. So third person singular always takes has, and first person singular plural, second person you and third person plural, that is they always take has. That you never forget. You make it more practice. How to make practice? Do you know? If you read regularly like this, I have drunk water, we have drunk water, you have drunk water, in this way. So you will get a perfect oral practice and you may not forget. And that will help you to write well as speak well. Right? So what is necessary we want to understand here use of this tense. This is the structure, and what is the use of this tense? My dear students, whenever any action completes in recent time, to describe them, we use present perfect tense. For example, अभी मैंने यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का फार्मूला यहाँ पे लिख के उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन किया है. तो दिस एक्शन हैज कंप्लीटेड नाउ ओनली. Suppose I want to tell this action to somebody, then I will have to use which tense? Yes, that is present perfect tense. So I will tell to students that I have introduced my students present perfect tense. So actions which are recently completed, to describe them we use present perfect tense. Thank you.